Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm Jessica. Today in this episode I'm gonna review the sandwich maker machine. This sandwich is from Sokany SK908. It's manufacturer of base home appliance commonly prides itself on making high quality durable products. You can expect from only the best. This premium product is built to the last, having undergone extensive testing. This compact size sandwich maker is the idea for making mouth-watering grilled cheese sandwiches, pizza, pocket, French toast, and omelets, all in a matter of minutes. The possibilities are endless with this sandwich maker, Sokany SK908. This is versatile and cooks everything quickly and easily. One remarkable feature of this product is that this is easy storage design. Because this is compact size, this product can be stored upright to free up your space in your cabinet. Another impressive feature of this sandwich maker is that its plates are made up from non-stick materials, especially designed for easy cleanup, and the designs have 6 plates that you can remove and replace, and you can make up many sandwiches with many size, many shapes that you like. So this indicator lights to remind you when it's time to cook, so you can avoid ending up with the sandwich that you would normally make when relying on the traditional frying pans. With this product, so you can start your cooking journey adventure, serve fun and delicious sandwiches. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and please leave a comment at what you think about this video, what you want me to do for the next video. Thank you.